It's been a rough stretch for US-based foldable fans. First, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 got completely upstaged by its own region-locked special edition, a thinner, lighter, and all-around better redesign that most people couldn't even buy. Then, OnePlus crushed hopes by confirming Oppo's ultra-sleek Find N5 wouldn't be coming stateside, or even to Europe. But finally, the tide is turning. This morning, we got our first real look at the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, and let's just say, it's shaping up to be a game-changer. At first glance, these new CAD renders from OnLeaks and Android hardware don't seem all that different from what Samsung's been doing for years. A tall outer display, a boxy design, and that familiar vertical triple-lens camera setup, it all screams classic Galaxy Z Fold. But once you start looking at the leaked specs alongside these images, things get a whole lot more interesting. This time around, Samsung seems to be taking some major design cues from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, and that's a very good thing. The Fold 7 is rumored to pack an 8.2-inch main display and a 6.5-inch external screen, making it significantly larger than its 7.6-inch predecessor. And if the leaked unfolded dimensions 158.4 by 143.1 by 4.5 millimeters are accurate, we're looking at a noticeably wider and thinner device than anything Samsung's released before. Whether that actually makes the outer screen feel more natural to type on remains to be seen, but it's a promising shift. The real jaw-dropper here is that 4.5 millimeters thickness when unfolded, which puts it just a hair above the Find N5's ultra-slim 4.2 millimeters. Even when folded, it's expected to land around 9 millimeters or 9.5 millimeters with the camera bump. Compared to the 12.1mm Fold 6, that's a huge difference and finally brings Samsung's foldables in line with slimmer rivals like the OnePlus Open and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Sure, it won't quite hit Oppo's ridiculously thin folded profile, but it's getting a whole lot closer. It's pretty clear that Samsung is borrowing a lot from the Fold Special Edition to make this happen. Just like that model, the Fold 7 is rumored to ditch digitizer support, which could be a key factor in keeping it so slim. That doesn't mean it'll skip S Pen compatibility entirely, though. Apparently, the stylus tech built into the pen itself rather than the display, but we'll have to wait for more leaks to confirm that. Under the hood, the Fold 7 is expected to pack Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, likely with Samsung's usual for Galaxy branding. And in what might be the most exciting camera upgrade yet, the phone is rumored to feature a massive 200-megapixel main sensor, bringing Samsung's foldable lineup up to true flagship-level photography. That's the kind of upgrade fans have been waiting for. Unfortunately, not everything is perfect. Samsung is reportedly sticking with the same 4400 mAh battery it's been using since the Fold 3, and at this point, that's starting to feel a little outdated. With the Pixel 9 Pro Fold sitting at 4650 mAh and the Find N5 boasting a massive 5600 mAh silicon battery, Samsung's decision to hold steady feels like a missed opportunity. We won't have to wait too long to see everything in action, though. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 at its next Unpacked event later this year. And if rumors are true, the company might also be gearing up to showcase its first trifold device, along with a budget-friendly Flip Fan edition. If that's the case, 2025 could be the most exciting year for Samsung's foldables since the very first Z series launched back in 2019. With fewer competitors in the market, this might just be Samsung's time to dominate. So, what do you think? Are these renders getting you hyped for the Fold 7, or are you still waiting for that perfect foldable? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.